Came from the ground, turned the struggle to a throne. Dreams in my pocket, now my hustle full grown. Every scar on my skin, that's the story getting told. Every lesson that I learned, now I'm dipping solid gold. From the dawn to the dusk, I was pushing through the dust, turning pressure into diamonds, now the shine is a must. Mama say go higher, never settle for the less. So I'm climbing every rung, every level, every test. Hey, never fade away, I'm just building a way for the ones coming after, let them see how I play. Legacy's the aim, I can't fumble with the flame. When I level up my mind, the whole world know my name. Level up, never slowing down. Legacy, make the people proud. From the city to the sky, I'ma shout it loud. Level up, leave a legacy, that's what I'm about, yeah. Concrete, watch them blossom, bro. I ain't doing this for me, I'm just paving the road for my brothers, for my sisters, for the kids in the cold who've been praying for a sign, now they seeing this. Oh, blueprints in the roots, I be deep like the Nile. Every failure is a few, every setback's a mile. I design my own fate, paint the picture with style, turn the pain into power and the sweat to a smile. Don't fade away, I'm just building a way for the ones coming after, let them see how I play. Legacy's the aim, I can't fumble with the flame. When I level up my mind, the whole world know my name. Level up, never slowing down. Legacy, make the people proud. From the city to the sky, I'ma shout it out. Level up, leave a legacy, and that's what I'm about, yeah. No shortcuts, no cheat codes, leveling with